Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am doing a wedding hair trial / tutorial for my wedding day. I'm thinking about DIYing it, so I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys in case any other brides or bridesmaids, or even if you're just like going to a special event, any of you guys out there who are trying to do a little at-home glam hairstyle, I've got you. So here's the back and we're just gonna get started. So let's get started. All the products I'm using in today's video are from IGK. They are sponsoring today's video and they have so many great hair products. They were developed by hairstylists, so you know they're good. Hairstylists know how to make your hair look a certain way, feel a certain way, stay a certain way, and I feel like the products that they come out with make it easy to achieve that salon look at home, because I will be the first to admit I'm not great at styling hair, so I need everything to be very like simple, DIY friendly. So they definitely help you achieve that. And all their products are also vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and made without mineral oil. So they are great for your hair as well. So to prep my hair in the shower, I used the First Class Detoxifying Charcoal Shampoo and Conditioner. I really love this. It has charcoal and tea tree leaf in there to really detoxify your hair. You want to use this like once a week or like every few washes. Otherwise, it's a little bit too much, but it's really great for getting rid of product buildup, or in my case, like hard water mineral buildup in your hair. I find that sometimes like after a while my hair gets just like a gunky feeling, and this totally gets rid of that and makes my hairstyle so much better. So I've used that in the shower. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Direct Flight Multitasking Matcha Shampoo. This is their medium level cleanse dry shampoo, and it helps to add texture, extend style, and I always like to apply dry shampoo on clean hair just to give it a little bit of grip and texture, and also act as a preventative measure before I actually need dry shampoo. This will help to soak up the oils. So I really like this one because it doesn't leave like an ashy cast on my hair. Smells really nice. Then I'm just gonna work it in, and if you can see, it kind of instantly adds a little oomph to the root area. So then I'm just going to section off the top part of my hair, get it out of the way so we can get to styling. So before I go in with the curling iron, I am going to add a little heat protection and a little smoothing. This is a really great spray from IGK. It's called Good Behavior. It's a spirulina protein spray. So this acts as like a smoothing, anti-frizz, heat protectant product all in one. It is heat activated, so you can use it on damp hair before you blow dry if you want that like kind of like keratin blowout effect, or you can use it before you go in with your flat iron or curling iron, whatever you use, and it just really helps to lock in the style, adds heat protection, and just makes your hair very smooth. So it has, let's see, spirulina protein and bonding polymers. So I know you guys are probably going to hate me for this, but I am going to be using my Dyson Airwrap as a wand today. You can achieve the exact same look with a regular wand style curling iron. This is a 1-inch barrel, I believe. And the only reason I use this is because A, it's healthier for your hair, and B, there's no risk of burning your face, your hands, nothing like that. And you can almost do it like one-handed as well. So I just had to turn off one of my lights over there because I think I was about to blow a fuse. The lights were like flickering. So anyways, all we're doing is we're wrapping our hair around. Then once you let it go off your barrel, just kind of scrunch it. You could pin your hair if you want. I find I do not need to pin it. this side is all curled. I'm gonna spray it with this IGK No Limit Dry Volume and Thickening Spray. This adds hold and volume and grip and texture. So it's going to act kind of like hairspray before I go in with actual hairspray. Okay, so I just like spray it all in. And then as you'll see, this is like one giant clump of hair. But that's what I want. I want this all like going the same direction. So now I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna first spray it with the Good Behavior spray once again. And I like that because it doesn't make your hair feel like wet. Now I'm just switching my barrel so the arrow is going the other way. If you have just like a regular wand, obviously you don't need to do that. See this though, like it's not gonna burn my face if I accidentally hit myself in the face, which I've been known to do. Again, this is not a hairspray, but it's going to add a little bit of hold until I want to actually apply hairspray. Now let's let down the top portion. So now I'm just gonna go in and add some more of that Good Behavior spray to lock in the style, prevent any like frizziness happening. It's also really great in like a humid climate. So I'm getting married in a tropical place, so I definitely will need that. And as you'll see, I'm not curling my hair all the way to the root. And the reason for that is because I don't want a lot of volume at the root because my head is like wider at the top. So if I curl it all the way to the root, it'll get even wider. So this will kind of balance it out. And also I'm doing more of like a sleek style on top and I just don't want it super curled there. So if you want it curled, go all the way to the root, but I'm just gonna be tucking behind my ears, so it just would be sort of pointless. And for all the curls, I'm still just going away from my face on each side and they're all going the same direction. I don't like to alternate because then it can kind of get a little bit messy. So everything is just gonna be really nice and blended together. All right, so I am back. Everything is nice and cooled. I just realized I probably should have teased the back of my hair before I did all this. So I'm just going to try to like lightly tease the crown of my hair. I'm just gonna go in with a comb and just back comb it right at the base of the crown. Hopefully this will not mess up my hair too much. Can you guys just picture me doing this on my actual wedding day? The only reason I don't want to do it myself is because I know I'll be having a small panic attack. That is good enough. I don't really like a ton of teasing and volume in my hair personally. And since I'm going for like a sleeker look on top, I don't need a ton of teasing either. Now I'm just gonna take my brush and brush through very gently. You could use a wide tooth comb also, but this is just gonna soften up the curl. And so it doesn't look so piecey, you know? So here we are, all brushed out. I'm not 100% sure what I want to do yet, if I want both sides to have, you know, tuck behind the ears or just one side. So I will show you guys one side and then show you with both. So first I'm gonna go in with some hairspray. This is the IGK 1-800 Hold Me hairspray. This is so pretty. It has high shine micro reflectors in there, so it gives your hair this kind of like glowy, like shiny finish without being glittery. It's really pretty, and it has like a very nice light touchable hold. I don't like when my hair just feels like I'm wearing like a plastic helmet of hair, so I'm just gonna spray this all over. This one smells like coconut and I just love it. Not really the best at bobby pinning. Who even knew that bobby pinning could be a skill? Okay. Then lastly, I'm going to take a little bit of Best Life, which is a 100% plant-based hair oil. This is really nice. It's very lightweight and thin. Like it's almost like watery, which I love. So I'm just going to massage this into my hands and then just lightly go on the top to like smooth anything down and add a little more shine. Could add some to the ends if you like to. Show you what it looks like from the side. Like that has like a little bit of volume there, and then there's a little bit of something happening on this side, so it's not just like nothing, but you could have, you know, both sides to the back. But I kind of like this. This is like my comfort zone. I need a little something, because when both are back, it's like, did you cut your hair into a bob? Did you? So now I'm just taking my toothbrush with some hairspray and smoothing out this side, bobby pinning 2 bobby pins to really lock it down. If you want, you can kind of just like back comb it a little bit to get it like how you want it, where you want it, and a little bit thicker. So then here's the other option. We have a double tuck. Still have one in the front, still have one in the back. Like this from the side. And then of course we cannot neglect the back, which sometimes I do, but I cannot do that on my wedding day. So I'm just taking a comb and lightly just smoothing everything out. Here's what it looks like from the back. I forgot to do something about my cowlick, so I'm gonna have to figure out a situation for that situation. But yeah, here are the final options. So first we have both sides of the hair in front, like on my chest, shoulder area. So that is option number 1. Then option number 2 would be to have one side in the front, one side in the back. I'm kind of leaning towards this. I'm not really sure, but let me know what you guys think. And then the last and final option would be to untuck one side. So I'm just taking out the bobby pin and then just having that side hang loose. So I don't know, leave a comment, let me know which style you would wear. And yeah, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys found it helpful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to IGK for sponsoring, and I'll see you guys next time.